App usage on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings, you scroll down to connection and sharing. As you tap on connection and sharing, all you have to do is scroll down, and here you can see the option of data usage. So tap on it, and as you tap on data usage, you can just go for any of the app over here where you want to check the usage of this application and the data on it on Android. So I'm going to go for the Telegram over here, and as you tap on Telegram, here you can see as you tap on the arrow down button, you can see the timeline of the data usage. So tap on it, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the data over here. So since it's toggled off, I'm going to go back and check for another application. I'm going to go for WhatsApp and then do the same process. And as you can see, I have the data right over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.